Apple Vision Pro effortlessly integrates digital material with your physical environment. You navigate by utilizing only your eyes, hands, and voice, so you can do the things you love in ways you never could before. Everything has never been seen like this before. Apple Vision Pro is the culmination of decades of experience designing high-performance, mobile, and wearable technologies, culminating in Apple's most ambitious product to date. Vision Pro incorporates extremely modern technology into an attractive, compact shape, resulting in an incredible experience each time you put it on. Let's discuss in details about this gadget, like its price and availability in the market. Enclosure. A singular piece of three-dimensionally formed laminated glass flows into an aluminum alloy frame that curves to wrap around your face. Light seal. The light seal gently flexes to conform to your face, delivering a precise fit while blocking out stray light. Headband. The headband provides cushioning, breathability, and stretch. The fit dial lets you adjust Vision Pro precisely to your head. Power. The external battery supports up to 2 hours of use and all-day use when plugged in. 1. Sound. Speakers positioned close to your ears deliver rich spatial audio while keeping you aware of your surroundings. Eyesight. An outward display reveals your eyes while wearing Vision Pro, letting others know when you are using apps or fully immersed. A singular piece of three-dimensionally formed laminated glass acts as an optical surface for the cameras and sensors that view the world. It flows seamlessly into a custom aluminum alloy frame that gently curves to wrap around your face while serving as an attachment point for the light seal. Interaction designed for spatial computing. Built on the foundation of macOS, iOS, and iPadOS, visionOS enables powerful spatial experiences. Control Vision Pro with your eyes, hands, and voice. Interactions feel intuitive and magical. Simply look at an element, tap your fingers together to select, and use the virtual keyboard or dictation to type. Apps leap into life. In visionOS, apps can fill the space around you, beyond the boundaries of a display. They can be moved anywhere, scaled to the perfect size, react to the lighting in your room, and even cast shadows. Expand your surroundings. Environments let you transform the space around you, so apps can extend beyond the dimensions of your room. Choose from a selection of beautiful landscapes, or magically replace your ceiling with a clear, open sky. The digital crown gives you full control over how immersed you are. Stay connected to people around you. Vision Pro helps you remain connected to those around you. Eyesight reveals your eyes and lets those nearby know when you're using apps or fully immersed in an experience. When someone approaches, Vision Pro simultaneously lets you see the person and reveals your eyes to them. Technology. Innovation you can see, hear, and feel. Pushing boundaries from the inside out. Spatial experiences on Vision Pro are only possible through groundbreaking Apple technology. Displays the size of a postage stamp that deliver more pixels than a 4K TV to each eye. Incredible advances in spatial audio. A revolutionary dual-chip design featuring custom Apple silicon. A sophisticated array of cameras and sensors. All the elements work together to create an unprecedented experience you have to see to believe. More pixels than a 4K TV. For each eye. The custom micro OLED display system features 23 million pixels, delivering stunning resolution and colors. An especially designed 3-element lens creates the feeling of a display that's everywhere you look. Apple's most advanced spatial audio system ever. Dual-driver audio pods positioned next to each ear deliver personalized sound while letting you hear what's around you. Ambient spatial audio makes sounds feel like they're coming from your surroundings. And with audio ray tracing, Vision Pro analyzes your room's acoustic properties, including the physical materials, to adapt and match sound to your space. Responsive, precision eye tracking. A high-performance eye tracking system of LEDs and infrared cameras projects invisible light patterns onto each eye. This advanced system provides ultra-precise input without your needing to hold any controllers, so you can accurately select elements just by looking at them. A sophisticated sensor array. A pair of high-resolution cameras transmit over 1 billion pixels per second to the displays so you can see the world around you clearly. The system also helps deliver precise head and hand tracking and real-time 3D mapping, all while understanding your hand gestures from a wide range of positions. Revolutionary dual-chip performance. A unique dual-chip design enables the spatial experiences on Vision Pro. The powerful M2 chip simultaneously runs Vision OS, executes advanced computer vision algorithms, and delivers stunning graphics, all with incredible efficiency. And the brand new R1 chip is specifically dedicated to process input from the cameras, sensors, and microphones, streaming images to the displays within 12 milliseconds for a virtually lag-free, real-time view of the world. Privacy and security. When it comes to privacy, we don't blink. Privacy and security built in. Like every Apple product and service, Vision Pro was designed to help protect your privacy and keep you in control of your data. It builds on the foundation of existing Apple privacy and security features with new technologies like Optic ID, a secure authentication system that uses the uniqueness of your iris. Available early next year in the US, and this amazing headset costs $3,499. Subscribe to our channel for more content.